Some cricket news now. Despite having one of the lowest strike rates in the West Indies women's team, the Jamaican batter Rashada Williams says that she's in no rush to change her game ahead of next year's ICC 50-over World Cup. More in this report.
After just 9 one-day internationals since making her senior team debut, Rashada Williams is striking at just 48 runs per 100 balls. Her last 3 double-digit scoring innings have seen her score 8 from 35 balls, 13 from 37, and 14 from 39. However, for the 24-year-old, there is more to cricket than just scoring fast.
Everyone can't be an aggressor in the team because, you don't want the team to be all out playing a 50-over game with 150 runs on the board, which is so hard to defend in a 50-over game. So, yes, there are areas that I need to work on for 2022, but as the coaches tell me, it doesn't happen immediately. It happens over time, and it's something that we've been working on. So I don't think there's any need for me to be more aggressive at the crease now, but it's just for me to keep the role that I was given.
Williams believes the makeup of the team allows her to play her natural game.
Because we have enough aggressors, we have enough power hitters in the team. So with my role will be very important to just keep the strike ticking, and that role will help the team going forward.
And with the 50-over World Cup set for next year in New Zealand, the former Eltham High School player is fully focused on what she needs to do to help the team.
Going into the World Cup next year, it's just to keep it simple. I know my role, and I know what the team and the coaches expect of me, so it's just for me to go there and stick to what I know and help bring the team over the line.
The 2022 World Cup is set to run from March 4 to April 3. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.
And staying on cricket, the West Indies under-19s went down by 18 runs to South Africa under-19s in the first of 4 games in the Youth One-Day Internationals in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Batting first, the visitors were dismissed for 146. Openers Jade Smith and Ethan Cunningham got the South Africans off to a decent start with a 56-run first wicket stand. The two departed 22 runs apart, Cunningham going for 30 while Smith top scored with 34. From there, South Africa's under-19s failed to construct any meaningful partnerships as Anderson Mahase bagged 4 for 33. Banaje Amore supported with 3 for 34 while Jaden Carmichael had 3 for 19. Now, in their pursuit of 149 for victory, the West Indies under-19s innings never got started as they were bowled out for 128. The innings also consisted of 3 runouts, including vice-captain Giovante De Pizza, who top scored with 39, while captain Akeem August was next best with 27. Teddy Bishop contributed 24 against Dewald Brevis, 3 for 36, and Ndele Simelane, 2 for 5. The second game in the series will be played on Tuesday. Overseas now at sports time, Australia resuming at 61 for 1 are now 84 for 3 on day 2 of the third Ashes test against England in Melbourne. The Aussies trailed by 101 runs after dismissing England for 185 in their first innings. On day a 7th test ton from opener KL Rahul has given visitors India the advantage at the end of play on day 1 of the opening test against South Africa at Centurion. On a flat track, South Africa's attack lacked the menace as Rahul and Mayank Agarwal led a 117-run opening stand for the visitors who elected to bat. Agarwal was the first to go for 60. Skipper Virat Kohli made 35. With the loss of Kohli, Rahul brought up his 5th test century outside of Asia to end the day unbeaten on 122. Ajinkya Rahane is the next not-out batsman on 40, with the two so far adding 73 runs with India 272 for 3 at stumps. Lungi and Giri has so far taken 3 for 45 for the Proteas.